In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Safari connector with Zotero. By the end, you'll have the Safari button ready to save articles and citations straight into your Zotero library. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Zotero connector Safari and press enter. Look for the official result from Zotero that discusses Safari compatibility. That page is the most reliable source because Safari handles extensions differently from other browsers, and Zotero keeps the instructions current there. Here's the key detail. Unlike Chrome or Firefox, Safari doesn't allow direct installation of browser extensions from a website. The Zotero connector for Safari is bundled with the Zotero desktop app. So, if you don't already have Zotero installed, download the latest Zotero app from the official site, move it to your applications folder, and open it at least once. Opening the app registers the Safari extension with macOS. Next, switch to Safari. Open Safari settings, then go to the Extensions tab. Find the Zotero entry and enable it. Safari may ask for permissions. Approve them so the connector can recognize items on web pages. If you want quick access, customize your Safari toolbar and add the Save to Zotero button so it's visible while you browse. A quick tip. Keeping Zotero open while you save items ensures they go straight to your desktop library smoothly. If you don't see the extension, or the Save to Zotero button is missing or flickering, return to the Zotero Safari page you opened earlier and try these fixes in order. First, delete and reinstall Zotero. Quit Safari and Zotero, remove Zotero from applications, download a fresh copy from the official site, reinstall it, open it once, and then recheck Safari's Extensions tab. If that doesn't help, try compressing and uncompressing Zotero. In Applications, Control-click Zotero, choose Compress to create a zip file, delete the original app, then double-click the zip to recreate Zotero. Open the app and check Safari extensions again. This can reset macOS flags that sometimes prevent the extension from appearing. For advanced users, there's a method to force extension reloading. Follow the specific steps provided on the Zotero page carefully, as it involves rebuilding Safari's extension cache and is best used only if the first two fixes don't resolve the issue. When everything's enabled, visit a journal article or catalog page and click the Save to Zotero button. You should see the item appear in your Zotero library. That's it, you're set up to save sources from Safari efficiently.